Important details concerning the Shroud of Turin. Aged bloodstains that remain reddish in color instead of turning brownish in color. An absence of capillary flow or cementation with the fibers in the pure body image areas of the cloth. The actual photographic negative of the shroud, as in Secondo Pia's photographic plate, reveals an image that appears more detailed and more like the natural face of a man to the naked eye, compared to what is seen with the naked eye when viewing the image on the cloth itself, or a traditional positive photograph of the cloth itself. The body image on the cloth is extremely superficial and is contained within the top 1 to 3 fibers of thread in the cloth, with thread being composed of approximately 100 to 200 linen fibers. The straw yellow color of the body image is strikingly uniform in color, and this is also confirmed by a densitometric study of photographic images of the shroud, with less than 2% variation in the absorbance of the individual colored body image fibers. The image contains no brushstrokes and has no sense of directionality, and is neither a finger painting nor a powder rubbing. The body image on the shroud is encoded with 3-dimensional information regarding actual depth or remoteness, which, unlike an albedo image, such as a photograph, is capable of producing a 3-dimensional effect of an overall undistorted anatomical human form on the screen of a VP8 image analyzer. Evidence that the very superficial body image in the facial image on frontal body image exhibits double superficiality, in that it can be quite strangely detected, albeit to a lesser extent, on the opposite side of the cloth. There's no snow fencing of pigment as exists with powder rubbings or finger paintings. No fluorescence of the body image under ultraviolet light, as would be the case if the body image were a typical scorch mark. The body image is not visually perceptible with any real sense of clarity unless one observes it from a distance of at least about 1 meter, yet it fades from visibility at a distance of approximately 30 feet. No outlines forming the body. Chemical tests evidence that the shroud was first stained with blood, though through a contact process before the body image was formed through a process that does not require contact. Dumbbell-shaped markings, which appear like wounds from a scourge with leaden balls attached to, are scattered over both body images and exhibit finely detailed scratch marks, which are visible under ultraviolet light, but which are invisible in visible light. Pale white fluorescences in the margins of these dumbbell-shaped marks are visible under UV light, but invisible in visible light. And these white fluorescences are similar to the white fluorescences around the margins of the much heavier bloodstains, which evidence points to there being serum halos derived from the blood clots. Evidence of a body in a state of rigor mortis and cadaveric spasm.